the infective form of humans are cysts. The pathogenesis is the trophozoites that produce strong proteolytic enzymes which they use to digest the colonic mucosa. This is of the large intestine that causes them to cause disease or infection. This facilitates the parasite's penetration through the intestinal wall and leads to the formation of numerous disseminated ulcers and necrotic foci. The clinical manifestation, it is nausea, vomiting, weight loss and abdominal pain, and the stools may be either watery or dysentery. The life cycle, the cyst, it is the infective stage of Balantidium Coli life cycle. Once the cyst is injected via the feces contaminated food or water, it passes through the host digestive system. This takes place in the small intestine, and what happens is that these trophozoites form the cyst stage. The motile trophozoites then resides in the lumen of the large intestine, feeding on the intestinal nutrients. So that is how they develop and they gain their nutrients from the large intestine. The trophozoites multiply by asexual binary fusion or sexual conjugation. The trophozoites may become invasive and penetrate the mucosa of the large intestine and release within the species the encyst to form a new cyst. Cysts in the environment are then ready to infect another host. This is another diagrammatic form of the life cycle of the Balantidium coli. The laboratory diagnosis, so this is by two ways. The first phase is that the laboratory diagnosis can be made through the preparation of smears from the stool sample, whereby an iodine or iron hematoxylin stain smears can be prepared to enhance the visibility of the cysts and trophozoites, which aid in accurate identification during microscopy. And the second way is that you can identify them is through stool cultures. So stool cultures can be prepared where the stool samples are cultured into a specific type of media, and this media is gastric mucin media, which allows for growth and identification of specifically Balantidium coli. These are the three types of treatment, and the most common type of treatment, it is the first one, which is tetracycline. Prevention and control. Avoid ingestion of material contaminated with animal feces. Prevent and control sanitary disposal of human and pig feces. Treatment of infected pigs and prevention of fecal contaminated food and water. So these are the references. So if you have any questions, you can comment down below.